Welcome to my channel. Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat canned tuna? Let's dive into an ocean of knowledge to explore this mystery. Canned tuna, a pantry staple in many homes, known for its versatility and ability to transform any meal into a protein-packed powerhouse. It's a popular choice for salads, sandwiches, and even as a quick snack straight the can. But what's the real story behind this humble canned fish? Is it just a convenient source of protein, or is there more to it? You might be surprised to learn that the canned tuna you've been adding to your meals has a far-reaching impact on your health. From your brain to your eyes, to your heart, and even to your blood cells, the effects of this modest canned delicacy are profound and far-reaching. Stay tuned to find out how this humble canned fish can impact your health in remarkable ways. Scene script. Unpacking the tuna can, we discover a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's delve into the top 7 health benefits of this humble canned fish. First up, we have protein. Tuna is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking to maintain a healthy weight, protein-packed tuna can be a great addition to your diet. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats are known for their heart-healthy benefits, including reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Regularly consuming omega-3 rich foods like tuna can contribute to a healthier heart and may even reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The third benefit of canned tuna is its vitamin D content. This sunshine vitamin is crucial for bone health as it aids in the absorption of calcium. With many of us spending more time indoors, getting enough vitamin D from our diet has become more important than ever. And guess what? Tuna has you covered. Benefit number 4 is selenium. This essential mineral acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our body cells from damage. Regularly eating selenium-rich foods like tuna can help boost your body's antioxidant defense system. Benefit 5 is the presence of vitamin B12. This essential nutrient supports nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells, helping to prevent anemia. The 6th benefit is that tuna is low in saturated fats. While it's packed with healthy omega-3s, tuna is also low in the bad fats that can contribute to high cholesterol and heart disease. Finally, the 7th benefit of canned tuna is its iodine content. This mineral is essential for thyroid function, which regulates our metabolism. Consuming iodine-rich foods like tuna can help ensure your thyroid functions optimally. So, it's clear that canned tuna is brimming with benefits. But are there any risks? Like all good things, moderation is key when it comes to canned tuna. Now you might be wondering why. The answer lies in a tiny element called mercury. Mercury is a natural part of the Earth's environment, but it's also a byproduct of industrial pollution. Fish, like tuna, can absorb mercury from their environment. And when we consume them, we ingest that mercury too. In large amounts, mercury can harm our nervous system, and it's particularly risky for pregnant women and young children. So, how do we enjoy the benefits of tuna without the mercury risk? The answer is choosing the right kind of tuna. Look for labels such as light or skipjack. These types of tuna are smaller and younger, meaning they've had less time to accumulate mercury. Also, consider choosing tuna packed in water rather than oil, as it tends to contain less mercury. Knowing this, you can make informed choices and enjoy the benefits of canned tuna without the worry. So, how often should you be reaching for that can opener? Well, according to the Food and Drug Administration, it's all about balance. For the average individual, 2 to 3 servings of canned tuna per week is considered safe. This works out to about 8 to 12 ounces. However, for pregnant women, the guidelines are a bit different. The FDA recommends they limit their intake to up to 8 ounces of canned tuna per week. But what about those with certain health conditions? If you have kidney disease, liver disease, or other conditions that might make you more sensitive to mercury, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but also about quality. Opt for low mercury, sustainably caught canned tuna whenever possible. Equipped with this knowledge, you can confidently incorporate canned tuna into your diet. And with that, we've come to the end of our deep dive into the world of canned tuna. We've unraveled its mysteries, explored its health benefits, tackled the risks, and laid out safe consumption guidelines. It's clear that canned tuna, when chosen wisely and consumed in moderation, can be a great addition to your diet. But remember, your plate should be a colorful canvas of different foods. Variety is, after all, the spice of life and the key to a well-balanced diet. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more enlightening content coming your way, so stay tuned. In our next video, we'll be exploring the world of another pantry staple. Can you guess what it is? Leave your guesses in the comments section below. Until next time, keep striving for a healthier, happier you.